I'm here at the Samsung stand at Gitex this year in Dubai, and behind me is a massive video wall. It's one of the new things Samsung is offering this year, and to tell us all about it is Karan Chopra. Karan, tell us about this massive video wall and who is the market for this?
Hi, first of all, welcome to Samsung. As you know that video walls are very prevalent in the industrial market. So for video walls, till now the basic standard is LCD. But Samsung, being the pioneer in LED, this year is launching LED video walls. The advantages of LED is much more brighter than a LCD video wall. It will consume much lesser power, and also because this being LED, we have been able to reduce the bezel size. So the bezel between the video walls becomes very narrow. Other advantages of Samsung video walls are Samsung has its own proprietary software called Magic Info. By using this, you don't need to use switchers. Like traditionally you will see big boxes of audio video cable. So you give one signal and then you have to take the cable out and give to all different screens. In Samsung's case, all this is done over network. So for a consumer or for an industrial customer, all he has to do is connect a power cable and connect an internet cable, and that's it.
That makes the job a lot easier. So what's the kind of market you're targeting for this one?
So for Middle East, the display signage industry is really growing at a very fast pace because, as you know, hotels are coming up, retail is booming, hospitals are coming up. So we see in every vertical, for example, oil and gas, we see a vertical where there is a lot of requirement. For police control rooms, we are trying to sell this locally in UAE to Abu Dhabi Police or to Dubai Police. If you go to Abu Dhabi Airport, you will see Samsung display signage all across the airport. So display signage, there is a big demand in Middle East, and Samsung is able to offer from a small 23 inch going all the way up to 82 inch, any size. And if the requirement is bigger than that, then Samsung recommends video walls which can be made to the customer's requirement, because we can make a video wall of 10 by 10 size.
So it can go larger than that. Now let's talk about the other thing you're debuting at Samsung. It's your interactive business solutions. Tell us all about it, and what does it also have less power consumption,
Yes.
like the video wall?
So Samsung, in pursuit of technology and technological advancement, we are pursuing LED in a big way. So LED, the basic thing of LED is that we can make the panel much thinner, make it much brighter, can be more robust, at the same time is more green because it consumes less power. So because of these advantages of LED over LCD, we are pursuing LED, and we are probably one of the few leading manufacturers who have brought the LED technology to the industrial space, to the corporate space, because right now it is more famous and in consumer space. For example, maybe you might be having a LED TV in your house, but for an industrial customer, cost and ROI plays a big role. So we are trying to bring in LED into that environment. We have some more very interesting displays on the other side when you want to see, and we are able to make them very thin and very light, because especially when it comes to video walls, portability and transportation also plays a big role, because sometimes you don't want to have a permanent fixture. You can use it based on your requirement. These televisions come with a special stand. So what you can do is, today you want to display it in this area, you display it and in 2 by 2 matrix, and tomorrow you want to display it as 4 by 2. So you can display it as 4 by 2. So Samsung provides a software which not only is able to display the content, it is also able to create the content. What I mean, suppose I took a picture of you. Yeah. Now that picture of you, if I have to put on a slim wall, then I will have to go to a designer to reduce the size or something and then cut it and give a different feed. In Samsung case, you don't have to do that. You can design this in the software, and the software will crop and send the appropriate signal to the appropriate television.
So with these solutions, everything can be done all at the same time.
Yes.
Less power consumption,
Yes.
very portable,
Yes.
and that's what Samsung is all about at this year's Gitex Shopper. That was Karan Chopra for Samsung.